Welcome to Beautyistic, where we make sure every product gets the attention it deserves. Today, we're looking at something that promises to elevate your styling game, the Eber Clipless Curling Iron. This 1.25-inch clipless curling iron features a Korean Tourmaline Ceramic Barrel that's designed to give you bouncy, voluminous curls without the creases or crimped ends that can sometimes result from traditional clamp-style curling irons. The pink design adds a fun, sleek touch to your beauty tools, but let's dive into what really matters: the performance. First, let's talk about the barrel. At 1.25 inches, it's perfect for creating larger, more voluminous curls or soft, beachy waves. The tourmaline ceramic technology is a real game changer. It helps to distribute heat more evenly, which means less damage and healthier hair in the long run. And of course, the negative ion technology helps reduce frizz, leaving you with smooth, shiny curls instead of a puff of static. The iron's ergonomic design stands out too. It's lightweight, so you won't feel fatigued during styling sessions, and the 360-degree swivel cord makes it easy to move the wand around without getting tangled. There's also a hook for easy storage when you're done. Now, let's talk about the heat-resistant glove that comes with the iron. If you've ever burned yourself while curling your hair, you know how essential this is. The glove offers real protection, allowing you to curl your hair without worrying about the heat. It's made from durable, heat-resistant material and fits both hands, which is a thoughtful addition. In terms of real-world use, this curling iron is incredibly easy to incorporate into your routine. I found that it heats up quickly and curls my hair effortlessly. Because the clipless barrel doesn't leave creases, my curls look natural and full of life, without having to spend too much time perfecting them. However, I do recommend practicing a bit if you're not used to a clipless barrel. It does take a bit of finesse, especially when working with larger sections of hair. But once you get the hang of it, the results are gorgeous. As for the cons, the only downside I can find is that it might not be the best option for those who want tight, defined curls. The 1.25-inch barrel is more geared toward bigger, looser waves, so if that's your style, this iron might be perfect for you. But if you prefer small, ringlet-like curls, you might want to consider a smaller barrel. Now, let's talk value. At its price point, this curling iron is an investment, but it's well worth it for the technology it offers. The Korean Tourmaline Ceramic Barrel helps reduce hair damage and enhances the quality of your curls. Plus, the lightweight design and heat-resistant glove make the styling process safer and more comfortable. If you're someone who curls their hair regularly and wants to protect it from damage, this tool will certainly give you a great return on investment. When comparing it to other curling irons on the market, the Eber Clipless Curling Iron stands out with its combination of sleek design and advanced technology. The inclusion of the heat-resistant glove and the lightweight design puts it ahead of many competitors that don't offer these features at a similar price. The build quality is solid, and the ceramic barrel heats evenly, helping to reduce any damage. I didn't notice any issues with durability, and the tool feels built to last. Its heat-up time is quick, which is a huge bonus if you're in a rush. Customer service has been known to be responsive and helpful with any inquiries, but I didn't need to contact them directly for this review. So, should you buy the Eber Clipless Curling Iron? If you're looking for a curling iron that gives you smooth, voluminous curls while protecting your hair from heat damage, then absolutely. The technology, ergonomic design, and included heat-resistant glove really make this tool stand out in the sea of other styling wands. Plus, if you're into larger curls or waves, you'll love how effortless it is to use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.